So friends, let's start making this delicious Sabudana Kheer. So here I've taken 1 cup of Sabudana, washed it thrice well under water and then soaked it in 3 cups of water for 30 minutes or half an hour. After 30 minutes, you will see that the Sabudana has swelled up in size or doubled in size. Now I'm going to drain out all the water and cover and keep it aside for minimum of 2 hours. Now I have taken 1 liter of milk and I'm going to bring it to a complete boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to add half a cup of sugar and stir the sugar in well till it dissolves completely. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom and about 1/4 teaspoon of saffron or kesar strands. Again, stir everything really well. Now we're going to add our sabudana or tapioca. And you can see that it is nice and free flowing, it is not sticky, and if you press any one grain it easily smashes up. So our sabudana is perfect for the kheer. Now only one thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to stir continuously till the milk again starts to boil gently. If you don't stir it, there are chances of the milk separating. So don't leave it unattended. You have to stir till it comes to a second gentle boil. Do this on a medium to low flame. And you will see that once the sabudana is ready, it will become translucent or transparent. Now I have some turmeric or haldi leaves in my garden. So I'm just going to add that for extra flavor. This is completely optional, but it really elevates the flavor of this kheer or any kheer. So if you have access to these haldi leaves or turmeric leaves, then please add them to any of your kheers. Now keep stirring till it becomes nice and thick. Now the milk has come to a second gentle boil. So now I'm going to add some sliced up almonds. You can add pistachios, you can add cashew nuts, the choice is yours. Mix it all in well together and then you're going to simmer it, that is cook it on a low flame for 10 minutes. That way everything will come together and the kheer will be nice and thick also. And here our lovely delicious sabudana kheer is all ready to enjoy. You can have it steaming hot or you can keep it in the refrigerator and have it chilled as well. Again, garnish with some sliced almonds. I hope you try out this recipe. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.